It's boxing.
Where you at, Torn?
Oh, whoa. That, I almost crashed into you guys.
Yeah, don't crash into us.
Oh, whatever.
Oh, nice. All doing you, all doing Grandma. You have all kinds of junk. Good job, bud. Way to make her mine. Turn her.
Cheater.
Come over here, Tori.
Whoa.
Say bye, Grandma, bud. This is harder than you think. I have somebody else trying to help me take pictures.
I know. Oh.
She's pulling on the camera strap as I'm trying. Don't let her go to that corner, Reese. Turn her. Slide your hand down, honey. Pull her over. Pull her nose hard. Pull her hard. Pull her hard, Reese. Pull her hard. Jerk on her. Jerk on her. Pull her out of there. Good job, honey.
Dopey's pretty fun, huh? I told you you'd like Dopey.
Did he just say riding horses when they buck is awesome?
We're gonna go right to Grandma.
Come right to me, horse.
You want him to come right to you?